Welcome to my channel MHM Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. Also, on this channel I will post small education videos of various areas helping you opening, learning something new to use in your work or hobby. To understand all the points, you'd better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed to work big clear sky. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. On my second channel, Mission Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage owner. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within co-op of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. On this video I will show all the buttons pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player.